If you enjoy watching new car reviews, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel before the video starts so you can receive upcoming videos first. Assalamu alaikum friends. Today we are going to take a detailed look at the new 2026 Alfa Romeo 156, which has been reintroduced as a modern sports-style sedan and is gaining attention due to its style, performance, and luxurious feel. If we talk about the car's exterior design, the distinctive V-shaped front grille is instantly recognizable. The slim LED headlights give the car an aggressive and modern look, while the aerodynamic body lines create a fast and sporty impression. From the side profile, the sporty alloy wheels and smooth body shape give the car a premium appearance. At the rear, sleek LED tail lights and the dual exhaust design further strengthen its sporty identity. Talking about the interior, the cabin is designed with a driver-focused layout where every control is easily within the driver's reach. High-quality leather seats, soft-touch materials, and a modern dashboard give the cabin a luxurious feel. A large touchscreen infotainment system, digital instrument cluster, wireless connectivity, climate control, and ambient lighting make the journey even more comfortable. The rear seats offer adequate legroom and headroom, making family trips comfortable, while the boot space is also suitable for everyday use. Talking about performance, the new 156 is expected to use modern turbo engine technology combined with a hybrid system, providing both power and fuel efficiency. The car feels quick in acceleration, while the handling remains well balanced, especially on highways and winding roads where the vehicle stays stable. The steering response is sharp, giving a sports car-like control during driving, and the modern suspension system also delivers better comfort even on rough roads. In terms of safety features, modern driver assistance systems are included, such as automatic emergency braking, lane assist, adaptive cruise control, parking sensors, and multiple airbags, all of which help ensure the safety of both the driver and passengers. As for the price, the car is expected to be introduced in the premium sedan segment, so its global market price could range between approximately $45,000 and $60,000. However, if imported into Pakistan, the price may become significantly higher after taxes and duties, making it more of a premium choice for car enthusiasts. Overall, the 2026 Model 156 offers an excellent combination of beautiful design, a luxurious interior, powerful performance, and modern technology, making it a great option for those who want a sporty yet comfortable sedan. And at the end of the video, let me remind you once again, if you enjoyed this review, please give the video a like, share it with your friends, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and definitely let us know in the comments what you think about this car.